Hi, I'm Esther and this is Jackie and this is Crazy Creations Camp.
In this camp, we work a lot on working through challenges with different materials. We start out with building marble runs where we get to make tracks to run marbles down and try and include as many different materials as possible.
We've been working about amazing stuff and it's kind of like science class at school, but better.
Then with Rube Goldberg, we get to accomplish a menial task through as many steps as possible.
This is a Rube Goldberg machine!
You get to be introduced to super cool concepts in physics, learn a lot about that.
It involves friction, things with magnets.
And then we get to show our parents at the end of the week.
We love being at the Lawrence because we have access to the museums upstairs, so we get to spend a lot of our free time hanging out. See you at camp!